so today we'll be heading to a coffee shop to do a little bit of work, and I'll be testing out something that I received recently. So today is going to be a vlog. I'm so excited to take you with me to a coffee shop. We're going to test out this portable monitor slash keyboard that was sent to me by UPERFECT. I'm so excited to try it out and see how it works working outside with it. I did test it out to make sure that it worked before doing this video, so I'm so excited to share with you guys. So when UPERFECT reached out to me, they sent me their website. I saw they had portable monitors, which I've seen a lot on Amazon a lot of times, but then I saw something called a Lapdock, which is basically a monitor and a keyboard together. I was kind of intrigued to see how that would work with different devices and stuff like that, so I'm going to share a little bit of that also. But I'm so excited to head to a coffee shop and use my iPad to see if it works well and have a second monitor basically. And if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks in business. I've been focusing more on productivity and desk videos, so if you're interested in that also, make sure to follow and let's get in. So I've been wanting to use my iPad Pro a lot more for the past few months to do more admin work or even content planning, but a lot of times I need my MacBook because I do a lot of filming and editing on Final Cut Pro, so I'm trying to figure out ways that I can use the iPad Pro more and kind of just focus on that instead of getting distracted, because my MacBook has everything that I need, including work stuff, Life with Holly stuff, and all that stuff that kind of distracts me. So I've been trying to find ways to utilize the iPad Pro more because I feel like I'd be more productive if I just use that itself. So that's kind of where I'm at. So now that I finally finished my website, which you should definitely check out, I have more about me on there. I also have an email list that you can join and resources that are freebies. Right now we have a wallpaper, Daisy wallpaper, you can pick up for free. We also have our 2023 monthly calendar, which I haven't promoted yet, so make sure to go check it out there. And I also have all my links of my desk setup, my office setup, and stuff like that, so you can go find exactly where I purchased everything. So make sure to go check it out. I'll link that down below for you guys. But now that I'm finished my website, I can actually do more admin tasks. I can start planning things, doing things that I put aside for a long time, such as like posting on my Pinterest, getting my Poshmark ready, because I have a lot of stuff since I moved here that I don't even need anymore, and I just want to sell it, but I haven't had a chance to do that. So a lot of things that I can finally do, and I'm excited for that. And a lot of planning includes Notion. I've been using it for a year now, but I just haven't had time to figure out, master it, add more pages. I mainly use it for my content planning right now, and it's really, I kind of mastered that side, but I wanted to add more of my home stuff, maybe even more Life with Holly style stuff in there, kind of like tracking partnerships and stuff. Right now I'm just tracking it in my brain, or like I track it in an Excel sheet, but I just want everything in one hub. So today's video, when we go to the coffee shop, we're going to be focused on Notion and just kind of making more pages and stuff like that, so I can be more like productive with it, instead of just using Notion for my content planning. And then I'll probably can share it in a future video, but that's kind of where we're at right now, and this is going to be the best time to utilize and try out the UPERFECT Lapdock. Then I'll also be able to multitask. If I want to do a little bit of content planning, I'll have 2 monitors, which is the iPad Pro and then the Lapdock, and then I'll try to see if that keyboard works. I tried it once. It wasn't like that responsive, or it didn't feel that great, so I'm gonna test it out and we're gonna head over there and try it together. And if you ever want to see how I plan content on Notion, make sure to comment down below and I will make sure to share that in my next video. And let's head over. So here I have on my iPad. I used my regular case because we were testing out the keyboard, so I didn't bring my keyboard one. And then this is the Lapdock itself. It's actually pretty big. It's like a 15-inch, I believe. So what it is basically you just hold it up, and then this is the thing that pulls up, and then you can just sit it up like that. Basically it looks like this, super big. So here's the keyboard. In my opinion, it's a pretty average keyboard, so hopefully I get used to it. But this is the stand. You can actually detach it if you want, and just use it as a regular monitor, which is good. So if I don't end up liking the keyboard, I can just use it as a regular extra monitor, so that's really good. The hubby probably would want it because he does work with two monitors, so this would be perfect for him. So if I don't use it, he can use it also. I did charge it beforehand, so hopefully it'll stay charged. And to connect the iPad, I have this USB-C that was provided by them. They gave a bunch of cords to use for different devices. And yeah, so we're gonna head to the coffee shop now. So the coffee shop we ended up going to was really loud, so I decided to do a voiceover instead. So here's me taking everything out to show you my setup. So here I am showing you the Lapdock. Inputs are hidden in the stand, and there's a handful of inputs on each side. The attachment of the keyboard monitor is really loose, which I'm not the biggest fan of because I feel like it's really easy to disconnect by accident. But I chose the Lapdock because I was curious about the keyboard, but when in doubt, I can just use the monitor by itself, which I am showing you right now. So to connect the iPad Pro, it wasn't too hard. All you just need to do is connect the USB-C to USB-C. I definitely was struggling in the beginning because I couldn't figure out the mouse. I think that the connection wasn't perfect, so that's why it wasn't working properly. The keyboard to type, it works really smoothly, so I'm impressed by that. Other than that, the mouse can be super sensitive, so it might be a little hard using that trackpad, but other than that, everything else seemed pretty good. Overall, the Lapdock is known for connecting with Samsung DeX phones, which would probably connect more smoothly, so it's not as compatible with the Apple. I do love how easy it is to connect, and it also has its own speaker, so connecting it to a Nintendo Switch or even a Steam Deck would be awesome. I probably would only use the portable monitor for my laptop or iPad and skip the keyboard, but I would definitely be reaching out to the marketing person to letting them know that and see what kind of feedback they have. So that's my mini reveal of this Lapdock. I hope you enjoyed. So I'm back home. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. I'll make sure to link the UPERFECT Lapdock, the exact one that I got, down below, so you can go check it out. You can also check out their website for other portable monitors if you're interested. But yeah, I'm so excited to utilize this and use it in my everyday world. I'm so excited to have my Notion finally more set up, and hopefully I can share a tour with you guys. So if you're interested to see how I plan my content planning stuff, which I've mastered, so you can guys check that one out first. Make sure to comment down below telling me you want to see it. Make sure to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!